Let's now look at actions in Photoshop. One of the biggest advantages is that you can actually record everything you do inside the program and then replay it to different layers. You can also apply actions to external files, so if you want to, for example, reduce the size of 100 graphics, you can apply a batch command that uses that action and automatically generates changes to those files. We'll make an action to flip a layer horizontally, and this is something that you might find when you're making game graphics is very useful because you can see your image reversed. Select one of the layers. For now I'm using the right eye, and then I'm going to go to Window, Select Actions, if you can't see this in the main window. As you can see, there's lots of pre-made actions, but we're going to make our own. Let's make a folder by first selecting the icon at the bottom of the Actions palette. Let's call the group Quick Tricks. Now we will make a new action by selecting on the document icon. We'll call this action Flip. We'll keep it in the Quick Tricks folder that we've already created. Next, select a function key for your shortcut. I'm going to select F11 and Command, and that's all we need in the settings. Now you can see a red dot turn on, and the action is ready to record. Go to Edit in the main toolbar, then Transform and Flip Horizontal. Now you can see it's recorded in the Actions palette, and we can see it says Flip Current Layer. As this is all we need to do, we can now press the Stop button. Now if we select another layer in the palette and press Command and F11, we can now see the shortcut works and it flips the image. So now instead of always going through the menus to flip the image, we can speed this up with an action. Literally, you can do anything inside of Photoshop like this. It's really useful and a very good way to speed up your work.